Alright, crypto degenerates and meme enthusiasts, buckle up. Today we're diving deep into the absurd, unpredictable, and highly lucrative world of meme coins in 2025. What started as a joke has now outperformed some of the most established crypto sectors. Seriously, these things are outpacing Ethereum DeFi in growth. But here is the real question: are meme coins the future of finance or digital gambling with extra steps? Let's break it all down. The rise of the meme coins. From jokes to market movers, meme coins are no longer just internet jokes, they are now a full-blown industry with billions in market cap and real impact on blockchain adoption. Some key numbers: market cap explosion. The total meme coin market cap skyrocketed from $70 billion to over $150 billion in 2024. That's more than double in a single year. Diverse meme themes. We've got more than just dog coins now. Sure, DOGE and sheep still lead, but new contenders like a PEPE, Bonk, and even PopCat, yes, the meme cat, are making waves. Blockchain expansion. Ethereum remains dominant, but Solana and Base are stealing the show as the new meme coin battlegrounds. Meme coins now fuel entire ecosystems, from NFT markets to layer 2 solutions. Take Shiba Inu's Shibarium, which has become a DeFi powerhouse, or Floki's metaverse gaming push. Meme coins aren't just outperforming crypto sectors, they are dominating 436% growth. Meme coins outpassed Layer 1 projects and Ethereum DeFi in 2024. Top meme coins by market cap. Number 1 is DOGE, $56 billion, SHIB, $21 billion, and PEPE, $3.3 billion. Bonk and Swift, the new rising stars. Daily trading volumes over $10 billion per day. Providing meme coins aren't just hype, they are serious business. Adoption rate: 10% of new crypto wallets in 2024 were created for meme coin trading. Why meme coins pump the secret sauce? Number 1, social media hype machine. Twitter, TikTok, and Reddit drive the meme coin frenzy. A single Elon Musk tweet can send prices skyrocketing 200% in minutes. And remember Trump's Trump coin? It hit $14.5 billion in days, then crashed 2/3. Brutal. Number 2, celebrity and influencer shilling. Everyone from Elon to your favorite TikTok trader is pushing meme coins. Hailey Welch, Hulk 2 girl, launched Hulk coin, hit $500 million, then rug pulled in hours. Classic. Number 3, market psychology and FOMO. Meme coins aren't pure emotion, no utility, just fear, greed, and Twitter memes. The second people see 1000x potential, they ape in heart. Meme coins and the dark side: scams, rug pulls, and regulation. While meme coins make some stupidly rich, others get wrecked. Let's talk about the rug pulls and pump and dumps that wipe out traders overnight. Rug pulls and pump and dumps. Pump.fun became the Wild West of meme coin launches. Anyone could create a token in minutes. February 2025 alone saw multiple meme coins collapses, costing investors millions. The biggest scandal: Argentina's President Javier Milei got caught in a crypto scam called Libra. It pumped, crashed, and triggered a political scandal now called Cryptogate. Regulation incoming? Meme coins should be the Wild West, but governments are watching. The SEC has cracked down on utility tokens, but meme coins, being pointless, are in a gray area. Will regulators finally step in or let the market go wild? The future of meme coins. What's next? Institutional investors, will they join or ignore? Some hedge funds are secretly buying meme coins, but many still call them digital gambling. Meme coins plus gaming and NFTs. Expect more meme coins integrating into DeFi, gaming, and NFT markets. Floki's metaverse is a prime example. Who knew a meme dog would build on actual game? Evolution or extinction. Some meme coins will gain utility, becoming legitimate. Others will vanish overnight just like a hawk. Final thoughts. Are meme coins worth it? Here's the truth. Meme coins are not for the faint-hearted. They are fun, insanely profitable if timed right, highly risky, filled with scams. If you are diving in, only invest what you can afford to lose and never trust influencer shills. Now let's talk about DeFi. Imagine a world where you don't need a bank to get a loan, trade assets, or earn passive income. Instead, you just click a button and smart contracts handle everything. No bankers, no hidden fees, no middlemen. That's the power of decentralized finance, DeFi. Is this the biggest financial revolution of our time or just another crypto buzzword? What is DeFi? Alright, here is the TLDR. DeFi is an open financial ecosystem built on blockchain technology. Instead of relying on banks or brokers, everything runs on smart contracts, self-executing programs that handle lending, trading, and payments automatically. This means no bank rejecting your loan applications, no annoying transaction delays, no ridiculous fees on cross-border payments. It's like turning the entire traditional banking system into an app. Cool, right? Okay, so what makes DeFi different? Let's break it down. Decentralization. No banks, no CEOs. You control your money through smart contracts. Global access. Anyone with the internet can use DeFi. No need for IDs or bank accounts. Transparency. Every transaction is public on the blockchain. No hidden tricks. Permissionless. No approvals needed. Just connect your crypto wallet and start trading, lending, or investing. Sounds too good to be true. Let's get into how it actually works. Major applications of DeFi: lending and borrowing. Traditional banks make you beg for a loan. In DeFi, you just provide crypto as collateral and borrow instantly. Platforms like Aave and Compound let you lend crypto and earn interest, borrow money without dealing with the bank, even take out flash loans, instant loans repaid in the same transaction. Decentralized exchanges. On platforms like Uniswap or SushiSwap, you can trade directly from your wallet, fast, anonymous, and secure. Instead of buyers and sellers, these platforms use liquidity pools powered by users like you. Want to make your money work for you? DeFi lets you provide liquidity to platforms and earn passive income. Stake your tokens in platforms like Earn Finance and watch your crypto multiply. Stablecoins and payments. Crypto's biggest problem? Volatility. That's where stablecoins come in, tokens like USDC and DAI that are pegged to fiat currencies. You can use them for safe savings without crazy price swings, fast and cheap cross-border payments, buying and selling goods in the crypto economy. What happens if a smart contract gets hacked? DeFi got insurance for that. Platforms like Nexus Mutual let you buy coverage to protect your investments. And if you are into options trading, DeFi platforms offer synthetic assets that let you hedge risk and speculate on price movements. The risk of DeFi, because it's not all rainbows, DeFi is still the wild west of finance. So before you YOLO your savings into it, here is what you need to know. Smart contract bugs. If there is a flaw in the code, hackers can exploit it. Scams and rug pulls. Fake projects pop up all the time. Do your own research. No customer support. If you mess up, there is no help desk to call. You are your own bank. High volatility. Crypto prices can crash overnight. Be smart with your investments. So, the future of DeFi, what's next? DeFi is still evolving and the next wave is coming fast. AI-powered DeFi, smarter automated investing strategies, real-world assets on blockchain, stocks, real estate, and even gold are coming to DeFi. Better security, more audits, safer smart contracts, and decentralized insurance. Even big banks are starting to enter DeFi because, let's be real, they don't want to get left behind. So is DeFi the future of money? Here's the deal. DeFi is not just hype. It's already transforming finance, but it's still in its early stages. It's revolutionary but also risky. It's game-changing but needs more regulation and security. The real question is, will you be an early adopter or wait for the world to catch up? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Are you using DeFi already, or are you still skeptical? If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and stay tuned for more deep dives into the future of money. Follow for more content. Voice of Web3 powered by CoinGate.